Hello everyone. In our previous sessions, we learned about Pandas series and data frames. Today, we will focus on an essential part of Pandas, that is indexing. The index in Pandas is used to uniquely identify rows in data frame or series that we have already understood in our previous session. It helps in faster data retrieval, filtering, and alignment when performing operations. By default, Pandas assign an integer-based index, but we can also set custom index. These Pandas index help in fast data lookup, supports custom and hierarchical indexing, and it can be reset, modified, or set from existing columns. So let's explore different ways to create and modify index in Pandas. And for that, let us go to VS Code. Here, data is created using the dictionary, the columns being name, age, department, and its datas are provided. This data is converted to data frame using functionality pd.dataframe, and within its argument variable data is passed. Then data of data frame is printed using this print function. Here by default Pandas assign an integer index starting from 0. To check that, let us run the program. So here the original data frame datas are printed and the index is starting from 0. So these default index are auto generated and this index can be replaced with the custom values. Now to provide the custom index, we need to use the inbuilt functionality, that is set underscore index. And here we have mentioned df dot set underscore index, the index value that we want to set, that is the name of the data. So within double quote we have provided the label, that is name, comma, in place equal to true. So with the execution of this line, the name column is now the index and the in place equal to true modifies the data frame directly. Then further the data frame data is printed. So again run the program. So after setting the custom index, you can see that the index names are Alice, Bob, and Charlie. Now suppose we want to reset this custom index, then it is also possible. And for that we need to use the inbuilt functionality reset underscore index. So here df dot reset underscore index, within its argument in place equal to true is passed. So it will restore the index with the original format. Then again this data frame is printed. So to check the output, run the program. Now here you can see that after resetting the index, further we are getting the numbers 0, 1 and 2. But in almost cases it is suggested to provide the custom index, as if a column contains a unique values, setting it as an index can help in a faster lookups. For example, for the time series type data, setting date and time as an index is beneficial. Now other than this, there is also one option is available to create a range index, and it is useful when one wants sequential numbering of rows. Now to provide the range index, we need to again use the inbuilt functionality, that is pd.dataframe. Within its argument we will pass our dictionary type data. Then we will define the index, and index will be comma index equal to pd dot range index. Within its argument we will pass three data: start, stop, and step. So suppose we want to have the start value 100, stop value 103, and we want the increment with the step of 1. So step equal to 1. So now the numbering will start from 100. After that again this data frame is printed. So let us run the program. So here the index now starts from 100 instead of 0. The start value is 100. The step value is 1. So it will start from 100, 101 and 102. Now again if we want to reset this range index, then further we need to update the code and use the inbuilt functionality reset underscore index. Within its argument drop equal to true, comma in place equal to true. So here drop equal to true removes the previous index completely. Now let us again run the program. So finally you can see that the resetting to default index we will get our default values. So in today's session we explored Pandas indexing, its role in data frames and how to customize it. We also saw its practical use. So some of the key points that you need to keep in mind are: the default index in Pandas is integer based. Custom index can be set using any column like names or IDs. Range index are useful for sequential numbering. And engineering databases benefit from meaningful indexes like component ID and many other useful names. So thank you for joining today. Keep practicing and see you soon in the next session.